Edward here at CloudWorld Dubai. It's been interesting to go and see how many customers and people are involved in Oracle.
It's exciting to be here. It's great that we have such sessions here in the Middle East. We can see what Oracle is doing, and it's very exciting to see what is going to happen in the future and what we can bring to the table in our own personal workspaces.
We are able to meet with a lot of industry leaders, and we are able to explore what are the newer tech stack solutions that are coming.
It was a lot of new things to learn. I was able to talk to existing customers of Oracle, so that was really, really insightful.
Hey, did you like what you learned? Make sure to check out this video or this link, and of course, subscribe now.